Meaning of flower people.
Flower people.
Flower people.
Flower people.
Flower people. Flower people is a term that was coined during the 1960s counterculture movement, specifically referring to individuals who embraced the ideals of peace, love, and harmony. These individuals were often associated with hippie culture and were known for wearing floral clothing and accessories. They rejected mainstream society and embraced a lifestyle centered around communal living, music, and psychedelic experiences. While the term flower people is no longer commonly used, its legacy lives on as a symbol of the counterculture movement and a reminder of the power of individual expression and unity through shared values.